Today's heading, the importance of birds. The importance of birds. Why are birds important? The first one is that they control mice, rat, and insect populations. You think about being outside in the summer on certain nights, there are mosquitoes like everywhere, like billions of them. Imagine how many there'd be if we didn't have little sparrows and other birds that eat those things. Rats and mice reproduce like crazy. Birds are going to help keep those in check too. Rabbits reproduce like crazy. Those are all held in check. Also, they feed on dead and decaying materials. Some birds, like vultures and crows, eat dead stuff. Every once in a while, especially in the summer, I'll see like a dead deer or raccoon or something on the road, and there will be crows all around it. And as you get closer, they fly away, and then they come back after you pass. They're going to get rid of that dead material. It's called carrion, by the way, dead animals. It's called carrion. They're going to eat that stuff. Another is they pollinate flowers. Hummingbirds help pollinate flowers, and that's important for getting fruits and vegetables and for plant reproduction. Remember, pollination is taking pollen from the stamen, which is the male part, to the pistil, which is the female part, and that pollen contains sperm. Birds are classified by their beaks, feet, feathers, and lifestyle. I'd like you to write this down. The 4 most common orders of birds. So kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class Aves, and now we have some orders. Now we're not using the fancy names. We're just going to say flightless birds, and why don't you put down maybe 2 examples of each of these. So flightless birds, that is one order. Ostriches, emus, peacocks, chickens, these are all considered flightless. A couple of them can kind of glide a little bit, a peacock or a chicken, but for the most part, they're flightless. Then we have water birds. Geese, ducks, swans, pelicans spend a lot of their life in water. Another order, we have birds of prey. These are killers. Falcons, owls, eagles, hawks. They also throw in the like vultures, which don't actually kill anything but eat dead stuff. Birds of prey. And then perching birds, or songbirds, things like parrots, sparrows, robins, stuff like that. So those are the 4 orders of birds. Now if we look at these pictures here, what could you tell me about these things? You'd probably say, you'd look at the beak here and you'd say, because this has this little tip here, you'd say this thing eats meat. And that one probably eats meat. And I'd say that one and that one. They're meat eaters. These here, you'd probably say something with seeds. Seeds, nuts, berries, things like that. I'd probably say sifting through water with this one here. Okay? So you can tell a lot about a bird by its beak, by its feet and its beak. So when you pair these up, you can see, okay, swimming, walking, perching, seizing prey, climbing. There we got the woodpecker here, tearing meat, cracking seeds, filtering. So if you didn't know anything about the bird, but I showed you its feet and its beak, you'd probably be able to tell me what it eats and what type of habitat it lives in. That is it.